Welcome to day 17 of our May Reset Challenge. Woke up feeling heavy or slow, even after 8 hours of sleep? That sluggish feeling isn't laziness, it's your nervous system still idling. This is your wake-up call. Let's energize the body, elevate the breath, and sharpen your rhythm. Let's hit the mat. You don't have to sprint to feel athletic. This move wakes up your posture, hips, and coordination in one rhythm. Stand tall, arms at your sides, drive your right knee towards your chest, then switch. Pump the opposite arm with each lift. Keep your posture upright, march at a steady pace, lifting higher as you warm up. You're going to feel hip flexor activation, core switching on, cardiovascular lift without the strain. This movement fires up your nervous system and activates your entire chain, from feet to brain. I promise it's more effective than a cup of coffee. We're staying in rhythm, but now we flip the pattern. Drive the knee just 1 inch higher for 5 seconds. Are you controlling the motion or just going through it? That just turned on your posture. Now let's unlock the backside. Time to wake up your hamstrings. If your stride feels short or stiff, this is where that changes. Stand tall, bend one knee, bringing your heel up towards your glute. Alternate sides with quick, controlled kicks. Stay light on your feet, land softly. You can feel hamstrings firing, calves warming up, backside coming online. Butt kicks reset your posterior chain and restore balance to your stride. I promise you'll move smoother after this. Most people think hip flexors limit movement, but tight hamstrings are often the real culprit. Can you kick higher without leaning forward? Is your chest collapsing or are you standing tall? That just fired up your glutes. Now let's link in the core. This one locks it all in: core, breath, and rhythm. Think of it as crunching without the floor. Hands behind your head, elbows wide, lift your right knee and crunch toward your hips and return to center. Keep the core tight and the movement snappy. You're going to feel obliques working, core switching on, breath syncing with effort. Standing crunches activate your midline, improve coordination, and reinforce balance. I promise this is the core training without the crunch burnout. Now that we're activated, we're going lateral. Time to shift and lengthen. Can you crunch tighter without speeding up? Are you twisting from the core or just the shoulders? That just connected your center. Now let's stretch side to side. Time to open the hips dynamically. This is where your mobility meets control. Stand wide and lunge to the right, bending the right knee, keeping the left leg straight. Push back to center, then repeat to the left. Keep your feet grounded and chest lifted. You're going to feel the inner thigh stretch, the glute engagement, side to side control. This is the kind of mobility your knees and hips love. I promise you'll walk more freely after this. The stretch also boosts single leg strength and balance. Can you sit deeper into the lunge without rounding your back? Are your heels grounded or is tension pulling you up? That just opened your base. Now let's finish with precision and power. Your final test: control, rhythm, and lateral power, all in one move. Step your right foot diagonally behind you. Reach your left hand towards your right toe. Return to center, switch sides. Keep the tempo smooth and the breath steady. You're going to feel glutes and hamstrings firing, rotation through the core, balance and power building together. Skater toe touches bring everything together: coordination, stretch, and strength. I promise you'll feel sharper, lighter, and more athletic by the time you finish. This energy, it's yours to take into the day. Can you hold your balance after each touch, 5 seconds each side? Are you touching the floor or owning the move? That just sharpened your whole chain. You're primed and ready. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. All delivered daily to your email inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.